Welcome back to my channel. Today we will preview some fall fabrics from Joann Fabric and Craft store. These fabrics are sold in the store and online. I will show you where to find the item number for these fabrics. As of this recording, they were still available to purchase online. Just to let you know, I am not being compensated from Joann, but wanted to give you a preview of some of the many different fall fabrics. Also, I will include links to some of my previous videos if you'd like to make some of these items from these fabrics to prepare for the holidays ahead, which are a pillow cover, decorative bread basket liner, lined drawstring bag, reversible apron with pockets, reversible table runner, and lightweight children's blanket.